Viewers, the big story that we have for you this afternoon is what is happening as far as Kapur versus Kapoor legal battle is concerned. What we are getting for you right now, all the developments as they are unfolding in the courtroom, and there you can see visuals of Priya Kapoor inside the court. Priya Kapoor, wife of late Sanjay Kapoor, has recorded, in fact, her statement, and this is the latest update that we are getting for you. Let's go across to my colleague Dipankar joining us on the phone line for more on this. Dipankar, what is the latest that you can share with us as far as this Kapur versus Kapoor legal saga is concerned?
Well, currently there's an in-camera proceeding that is going on in this Kapoor family dispute, where the defamation case has been filed by Priya Kapoor against Mandira Kapoor, and the statements of Priya Kapoor are in fact being recorded as we speak. Her statements are being recorded in an in-camera proceeding because the counsel for Priya Kapoor had initially early in the morning, as soon as the matter was taken up, he made a request to the court to do this entire case, this entire proceeding for today's proceeding in an in-camera proceeding. So the court, after deliberation, had asked all the people who were present inside the court to move out, and an in-camera proceeding had begun, where her statements are being recorded as a pre-summoning evidence in the criminal defamation case that she has filed. In fact, I would like to tell you that this pre-summoning evidence is a very crucial aspect of a defamation case that is filed under the Indian criminal law in Indian courts, where evidence has to be provided by the complainant in order to show as to how she has been defamed. Here, since Priya Kapoor has alleged that she was defamed and hurtful statements as well as defamatory statements were made against her by Mandira Kapoor, so her statement becomes very important when she has to give all the statements, show all the evidences, pointing out that those statements which were made by Mandira Kapoor were actually defamatory for her, and she was defamed by those statements. So that evidence is being recorded, and once this evidence and the evidence of two other witnesses are done, then the court will take cognizance, and probably, if the court finds it correct, then will summon Mandira Kapoor in this matter. So as of now, for today, her statements are being recorded in this entire defamation case as we speak.
Right. So, Dipankar, that's an important update that you're getting for our viewers. As we speak, Priya Kapoor's statements are being recorded. Now, these statements are going to be extremely critical, as Dipankar was mentioning for our viewers. Dipankar, we've also seen a very interesting twist now emerging in this entire saga. And that twist that I want you to, share with our viewers is about, late Sanjay Kapoor's mother. How she also, in a way, has approached the Delhi High Court alleging that her daughter-in-law, Priya Kapoor, used a fraudulent trust to unlawfully divert the family estate. And in a way, she's also raising questions on the role of her late son.
Well, yes, in that case, Rani Kapoor has approached the Delhi High Court, filing a suit for dissolution of the RK Family Trust, or as we know it, the Rani Kapoor Family Trust. And she has alleged over there that Priya Kapoor had, in a way, formulated a conspiracy and had taken away all the estate that were bestowed upon Rani Kapoor by the will that was executed of late Surinder Kapoor. So she has alleged that all the estate that was given to her according to the will of Surinder Kapoor, she had bifurcated those estate into two and created two trusts. But when she fell ill, a conspiracy was hatched where all those estate that were under the two trusts were consolidated under the RK Family Trust behind her back. And in that, she has also stated that Sanjay Kapoor might also have been involved. But she has not very clearly gone on to say that whether Sanjay Kapoor did this willingly or was he manipulated into doing all this on behalf of Priya Kapoor. But she has alleged that Sanjay Kapoor was also involved along with Priya Kapoor, who has now taken over the entire estate that was bestowed upon Rani Kapoor through the RK Family Trust. And she is now seeking a dissolution of that RK Family Trust so that all the estate that is there under the RK Family Trust should be gone back to Rani Kapoor.
That's a very, very important development that has taken place. Dipankar, stay on with us. New twist in this Kapoor family dispute, viewers. Rani Kapoor Kapoor has approached the Delhi High Court. She's filed a suit against Priya Kapoor and 24 others over RK Family Trust. Defendants include children of Karishma Kapoor and Priya Kapoor, along with Mandira Kapoor herself. Now, she has alleged a conspiracy to defraud Rani Kapoor of her legacy and her belongings. She's also seeking that the trust deed of RK family, in fact, should be declared null and void. She's seeking decree of resolution against RK Family Trust. She's also seeking injunction against defendants from acting in furtherance of RK Family Trust. Let's go back to Deepankar, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Deepankar, it's just getting murkier by the day, isn't it? And what can really be expected at the end of the day today in this saga, that you can share with us? What are the details?
Well, yes, since there have been cases coming, applications being moved, intervention applications being moved, it can be said that the entire family estate row that has been there is getting murkier by the day. And now, since Rani Kapoor has moved the Delhi High Court, and meanwhile, at the same time, a hearing is going on in the Patiala House Court, which is a criminal hearing, criminal defamation case hearing going on. So we can clearly say that the entire dispute is getting murkier by the day. Over here in the Patiala House Court, Priya Kapoor's statements are being recorded as pre-summoning evidence as we speak, and these pre-summoning evidence will now be taken into consideration by the court before the court issues summons, any kind of summons to Mandira Kapoor, after going through the evidence that Priya Kapoor produces and the evidence that two other witnesses of Priya Kapoor produce. So we can say that today only Priya Kapoor's evidence will be conducted, and a date might be given by the court for the other two witnesses to appear before the court and record their pre-summoning evidence in this entire case. And after that, if the court feels it necessary, if the court finds any kind of prima facie evidence that there was certain kind of defamation done, then the court will take into cognizance this entire case and issue summons to Mandira Kapoor in this criminal defamation case. While on the other hand, in the Rani Kapoor suit that Rani Kapoor has filed before the Delhi High Court, that suit has yet to be listed before the court, but we can expect this suit coming up before the Delhi High Court for hearing anytime this week or the next week coming in.
All right. Thank you very much, Deepankar, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest.